Another demographic issue Korea is trying to tackle is its low birth rate. Our Park Kun-woo went to the streets to hear what's stopping the average Korean from wanting to have children and what they think needs to be done to solve this.
South Korea is quickly becoming known for its aging population, with the number of new births recorded on a downward trend. According to data from Statistics Korea, the total fertility rate in 2022 was 0.78. Figures for 2023 are set to be released at the end of February, and experts say that figure could fall even further. But what's behind these dwindling numbers? I went out on the streets of Seoul to find out why people are reluctant to have kids.
The parents usually have some big pressure, good school, good nursery, good kindergartens, so education fee, and the others is really, really expensive.
With higher prices, sufficient earnings are needed to take care of a child.
Housing issues need to be solved and also education fees.
Along with the expense of having kids, some pointed to the difficulty associated with raising children and working at the same time. The importance of alone time by young adults is seen as another factor driving the number of births down. In response, the government introduced several policies this year, including an increase in financial support to encourage people to have more kids. But many young adults I spoke to said they wouldn't think too differently despite strengthening governmental support.
Several policies that can actually help people to settle down are needed more than monetary support.
People also spoke about the need for better conditions for parents returning to work after a child is born. One expert suggested ways to encourage people to have children.
Among OECD nations, Korea is on the upper rankings of working hours, so realistically, parents can't concentrate on raising kids, even if they have them. Working hours need to be shorter.
And he said more companies will need to allow people to use parental leaves more flexibly. With the government's target of raising the total fertility rate to 1 birth per woman, the Presidential Committee on Aging Society and Population Policy also said it will be releasing a comprehensive plan, possibly in March, to solve issues related to the country's low birth and fertility rate. Park Kun-woo, Arirang News.